In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So it's very simple. Make sure you watch this video until the very end, and now let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do, there's actually 3 ways to export a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. First method, if after you worked on your project and everything is done and you like to export your video, but you don't exactly where you have to go. One method is to go here to File and then Export and then Media and click on here. Now the second method, you can also simply just click on Export right over here. Fun enough, when I actually started learning Adobe Premiere, I didn't notice the Export tab right over there. So I think it's very normal not to notice this tab right over here. You know, I think the first time you're looking at this program, it looks complicated, and it is quite. I mean, you can do a lot of stuff on this program. With this program, you can create really fascinating videos and awesome videos. So yeah, if you click on now export here, now you can enter the name, click on this on the location. From if you click here, then you can select the folder where you like to save the video, and then preset. Here I usually use 4K. Now depends. Sometimes I use 1080p, HD, and format. This is a really popular format, which is the H.264. Then click on here, expand, click on more, and here make sure you click on render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. And that's pretty much what you have to do. Just click on export now, and that's only if you want high quality. If you don't want high quality, just want to export your video, choose here your frame size and then click on export, and that's pretty much what you have to do. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.